हे, आप क्या करोगे अगर आपको रात भर में करोड़ों रुपए मिल जाए? अरे आपकी तो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ही दूर हो जाएगी नहीं? Okay, let's take a look at what actually happened to people who received crores of rupees. During the time when Pune was rapidly growing, many MNCs established themselves in Pune, creating a high demand for land to set up offices and operations, and this caused land prices to skyrocket. The farmland that could barely sustain the farmers' families was now a gold mine for them. Builders paid crores of rupees to build software parks and modern infrastructure on the land. And what did the farmers do who sold their lands? Well, they arranged lavish weddings for their daughters. They booked cricket stadiums and converted them into wedding halls. Yes, the couple to be arrived in helicopters. And this BMW Mercedes were given as gifts. They spent all their money like this. And now most of them live in poverty, unfortunately. Well, this is where the importance of personal finance comes into play. If they had used the money wisely, they could have secured the future of the next 3-4 generations or perhaps even more. A smart person knows how to make money from their existing money, and to do that, one must be financially aware. They should understand the science behind money. So, get SEBI registered experts' advice and secure your financial future right now with Spring Money.